In this tutorial, I'll show you how to invite your friends to play together in Peek. First thing first, you need to prepare your Steam friends list. Open Steam and check that your friends are added. Ensure that they are online, and to change your own activity status, click Friends in the top right of Steam, then select Online. Now both of you and your friends should launch the game. From the main menu, select Host Game. You'll spawn in an elevator that opens into a large airport terminal. Just walk a few steps forward from where you spawn, and then on the right hand side, interact with the invite kiosk. Your Steam friends who are online will appear in the kiosk list. Just select and send invite. Just note that you cannot invite friends who are offline or set to invisible on Steam, and everyone must be logged in and run in to game to show up in your list.